Which animal has the longest neck? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Camel. Correct answer is B. Giraffe. What is the national sport of India? A. Hockey. B. Cricket. C. Kabaddi. Correct answer is A. Hockey. Which country does not have a president? A. India. B. England. C. America. Correct answer is B. England. Which is the largest city in Madhya Pradesh? A. Indore. B. Bhopal. C. Jabalpur. Correct answer is A. Indore. Which country imposes restrictions on the internet? A. America. B. China. C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China. Which vegetable makes teeth stronger? A. Tomato. B. Carrot. C. Brinjal. Correct answer is B. Carrot. Who travels in the Force 1 aircraft? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Chief Minister. Correct answer is B. President. In which country is sour honey found? A. Nepal. B. India. C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. Nepal. How many players are there in a hockey team? A. 11. B. 7. C. No. Correct answer is A. 11. Which creature has a brain larger than its body? A. Octopus. B. Chimpanzee. C. Blue whale. Correct answer is A. Octopus. What is the fastest thing in the world? A. Sound. B. Light. C. Bullet. Correct answer is B. Light. In which country was sugar first discovered? A. India. B. China. C. Egypt. Correct answer is A. India. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. Correct answer is B. Mercury. Which is the largest oil exporting country? A. Russia. B. USA. C. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is C. Saudi Arabia. When did railways begin in India? A. 1853. B. 1901. C. 1837. Correct answer is A. 1853. Which color can't squirrels see? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Green. Correct answer is A. Red. Which is the most peaceful country in the world? A. Iceland. B. Switzerland. C. Bhutan. Correct answer is A. Iceland. Where is coconut found the most in India? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Kerala. In which year was Uttar Pradesh established? A. 1950. B. 1956. C. 1957. Correct answer is A. 1950. Which city is known as the City of 11 Temples? A. Ujjain. B. Varanasi. C. Amravati. Correct answer is A. Ujjain.